Hello students, welcome you back. Today I will teach you science for class 4. Before starting, let me tell you that in our previous class we have completed chapter number 1. Today we will do chapter number 2, teeth and microbes. Let me start. So first of all, in this chapter you will learn about teeth, different kinds of teeth, different sets of teeth, care of the teeth, structure of a tooth, and microbes that cause disease. Okay, let me start. Teeth are very important part of our body. So teeth forms an important part. Teeth, what is the function of the teeth? You must note down. Number 1, teeth give shape to our face. Number 2, teeth help us bite and chew the food. Number 3, teeth help us speak clearly. So these are the function of teeth. It gives shape to our face. Number 2, help us bite and chew the food. Number 3, help us speak clearly. We all are born without teeth. Teeth start growing out of the gums later. Sets of teeth. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. So at the age of 3 or 4 years, a child has 20 sets of teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth because it is replaced by permanent teeth. So it is temporary. By the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. So by the age of 6 or 7 years, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one and it is replaced by a new set of teeth called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. So every adult have 32 teeth, total 32. 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. If this is okay, if this is your upper jaw and this is your lower jaw. Okay, this is upper jaw. This is lower jaw. I have not drawn the teeth, I am just mentioning the upper jaw and the lower jaw. So upper jaw, it contains 16 teeth and lower jaw also 16 teeth. So this 16 plus 16, it gives you 32 teeth. So there are 32 teeth in an adult. Upper and lower jaws have same kinds of teeth. If you lose any tooth from the set of permanent teeth, you will not get a new one in its place. So if it is lost, if any tooth is lost from the permanent set, you will not get a new one in its place. Now coming to kinds of teeth. Kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So there are 4 kinds of permanent teeth. They are incisors, number 2 canines, number 3 premolars, number 4 molars. These are the, see the picture, these are the different kinds of teeth. Given here the shape of the teeth, different shape of the teeth: incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Number 1, incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are also called cutting teeth. So incisors are called cutting teeth. Number 2, canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. they are very sharp and pointed. They help tear the food. They are called tearing teeth. Next set of teeth is premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. So 4 premolars in upper jaw and 4 lower jaw. So 8. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. They help us crack and crush the food like nuts. They are also called cracking teeth. Next is molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. They are also called grinding teeth. So these are the different kinds of teeth. Incisors, they are called cutting teeth. Canines, they are called tearing teeth. Premolars, they are called cracking teeth, and molars, they are called grinding teeth. So in an adult, out of 32 teeth, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. So we have like different kinds. Number 1, incisors. Incisors are total 8. Number 2, canines. There are 4. Number 3, premolars. There are also 8. And number 4, molars, 12. So if you add them, see here, 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12, it is 32 coming. So there are 32 teeth in an adult. Okay, one thing you have to draw the different kinds of teeth. You have to practice this one. Okay, students, today up to this much. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.